Typewriters are making a comeback.
What is it that a computer cannot do that a typewriter can?
The typewriter removes distractions from the writing process.
Writers like J.K. Rowling of Harry Potter fame, as well as pop stars like Lady Gaga and Taylor Swift, have publicly expressed they are fans.
I think all of these people have found that the typewriter enables that creative process.
So says Tom Redkoff, better known as Typewriter Tom, who for decades has fixed and collected typewriters.
This is called the catacombs because it has that sort of eerie feeling to it.
How many machines do you think you have all together in these rooms?
Altogether in these rooms, probably 1,000 machines, spread across pretty much every manufacturer since late 1800s.
While many manual typewriter shops have closed their doors, new stores have recently opened in Merrimack, New Hampshire, Dayton, Ohio, and Chicago.
See, this is called a type shuttle.
The renewed interest in typewriters keeps Redkoff busy, leading meetings of the Atlanta Typewriter Club he founded,
I would say this is early 1900s.
and visiting schools and museums where he introduces younger generations to typewriters.
Every time I go to a school, I leave them a typewriter. I get haikus back from the kids. I get pictures back that they typed, and I love it. That's just the fun of doing it.